right, folks, looking at the Springfield Tower Cam right now off towards downtown. A cloudless sky, not a bad-looking day. A little warm out there. Sure, we've seen that before, though. All week long, filled with one hot day after the other. 86 now in Springfield, 90 in Avon, 90 Fort Wood, 88 over in Clinton. A lot of upper 80s to near 90 out the door and out the midday hour. If you find some shade, not a bad time to be out and have some lunch outside. If you're in the sun, better find yourself by a pool, right? For the midday hour going into this evening, temperatures are going to be hot, 95 degrees, plenty of sunshine, with, again, a high UV index peaking around noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Then the UV drops off as the sun begins to set and change its angle, get a little lower on the horizon later in the day. Wear sunscreen today. Jumping up to the north and the west, right? We got a little cold front going through northeast Kansas, northwest Missouri and Iowa. A couple waves of energy embedded along that front, but most of the rain today is going to stay to our north and to our west. Now, there's going to be a storm risk today that includes portions of west central Missouri. Okay, Nevada, Butler, Osceola, okay, Clinton, Warsaw, Versailles. Might see a chance of a storm or two getting a little strong, possibly severe this evening. Most of the rain activity, though, will stay closer to northeast Kansas, northwest Missouri, and the Kansas City metro area. Farther south of there, chances are low, but there may see some storms that try to drop that far south. Many of us, though, stay dry tonight, especially near the I-44 corridor. Don't expect much to happen there. As we go into Friday, hit-or-miss rain showers possible, but still looking at a focus closer to I-70 for rain with that boundary, as it still kind of lingers around central Missouri for Friday. Saturday, a better chance, but still low for some rain showers. Pop up here and there, hit or miss, largely hit or miss through the weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. Rain totals across central and southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Not much. This is through the weekend, okay? 10th of an inch here, 10th of an inch there, that's all. The bullseye rain the weekend is going to be northeast Kansas, all right, Wichita, Topeka, Kansas City, and off to the north towards Kirksville and into Iowa. All right, that's where the bullseye of the rain is going to be this weekend. So if you're going to the fair this weekend, yes, hot still, yes, mostly sunny, and also, yes, could find some stray showers here and there, but not a washout, nothing widespread, hit or miss, chances overall pretty low for rain this weekend. We're hot and dry, guaranteed, Monday and Tuesday, and then the pattern shifts. Heat dome gets pushed down to the south and west, a couple cold fronts drop in, and we'll find ourselves in a cooler and possibly wetter pattern for the middle to end of next week as we go into the month of August, all right, next weekend. For today, though, no cool down, mid-90s, sunny, low 70s tonight, mid-90s again tomorrow. We'll do it again Saturday. Again, isolated chances of rain Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Not much. Many spots are staying dry and hot through Tuesday. And then Wednesday is when we mark the change for cooler and weather.
All right, Tom, thanks.